Hi everybody, this is Peter with Peter's Lock Services, and this is a Shurlok padlock combination, or combination padlock with a hideaway box for a key, preset combination is 000, and I'm going to try to reset this and decode it and open it. Right now it's at 000. Just turn this screw here. That's to reset it. Combination, I'm going to turn it back and randomly rotate the dials. Make sure everything is lined up. I have no clue what the combination is. Block with my palm and then reset it. And then turn it back, change the combination. Let me roll the dials upwards so that way it's on 000. Shackle is lock. And we did have a preset combination 000. You see that doesn't work. And now we're going to decode it. And with this decoding tool, all you can do is put it on the side over here. And with slight tension pushing up, you should feel a gate after rotating these numbers. Start number 1. Oh, not yet. There we go. At 8. Stubby little fingers not working. Okay. Got the next one, number 4. Missed it somewhere. Number 2, the third one. I think 9's our last one. Okay. Then you write this number down so I don't forget it. And we'll work on decoding this. We got 8429. And basically, this is all we're going to do now is just go up one number. Let's try the shackle. Yep. 1752. 2873 3984. Doing this one. This one. Another one. 4095. Nope. 5106. Oh, screwed up somewhere. 6217. Okay, let's start back at what we were at. We had 8, 4, 2, 9. Okay, 5, 9, 5, 3, 0, 0, 6, 4, 1, 1, 7, 5, 2, 2, 8, 6, 3. Okay, got it. Decode the lock, but key hideaway box is not opening. So all you got to do is just go up 3 numbers on each dial, and that should be the combination of the little secret door there. We're going to go 3974 4085 5196. There we go. It's open. Decoded. Well, this is not going to work until I put the combination in, but yeah, you guys saw it for me. It works. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. And this is Peter from Peter's Lock Services. You guys have a nice day. Stay safe.